This is a Bimini deck hinge made with 316 heavy duty stainless steel. So this one has an angle of rotation angle of almost 180 degrees, like this. And it comes with a rubber pad on the back. So to set up this one, you'll have to use longer screws because this part is thicker, it's quite thick. And then, yeah, you're all done. We sell this one by pairs. Comes like this. And regarding the size, this one is, as you can see here, almost 3 inches. And if you see the body of the piece is almost 1 inch. And full size is almost 2 inches.